the new slot, 5 Dragons Rising Jackpot. I think I've played this one time before. Put my ticket in for $400.13. Anything 5 Dragons is a tough slot, but we're gonna go for it. We're gonna try the $1.76 bet. Oh, we got a multiplier. Okay, that was cool. Random multipliers. I'm assuming it's for the first coins on the first 3 reels, like normal 5 Dragons. Oh, okay. Come on, 5 Dragons. That may also be for the Progressives, because this 5 Dragons has Progressives. So this might also be for the Progressives. Let's see if we can find out. Ooh. Bonus? Yes. Oh, that is dang shocking right there. We'll take it. All right, I think we have some options here. Choose your reels. Here we go. We can get between 8 and 18 with a bigger 4 and 12, 2 and 6. Let's try our luck on the purple, babe. Let's go slot queen purple and see how many games we get. No, not pink. That was pink. All right. Well, now let's go. Wait a minute. It gave us a 10, 12. Let's go with the red. Let's go with the red and see what this game, see what we can see in this game. All right, we're going red. 3x. Let me back up so you guys can see the multiplier 2. Come on, Red Dragon, don't let us down. 20 games to do it. Come on. Oh, jeez. We're almost halfway in. Too far over, red. Oh, aces. Aces, no multiplier though. Oh, there we go. Big multiplier. Oh, we got a lot of aces. Come on. 5 plus 3 games? What the heck? And that was a $40 hit.
$40.
Nice! Okay, that was exciting. 3 more games. I'm not sure why. I should read the instructions. But we got a 5x multiplier and a $40 win. Heck to the yes. Oh, nope. I can't believe we actually landed the bonus on this thing. Come on. Oh, fish. With a 5. Nice. Plus a game, babe. $15 just for those 3 fish. And 6 games to go. Times 3 on 9s. And 2 more games. Oh my gosh, I did not know it had this potential. Come on. I'm channeling my inner Elvia here. Elvia's the dragon slayer. Come on. Oh, fish all the way. No multiplier. It's okay. Last spin, 26. That's pretty cool. My favorite number. Okay, that came right away. What a great bonus. Oh, look at the coin show. Look at this. Very nice. All right, start with 400. We're at 465. Let's keep going. 820 line hit. Can we land one more bonus on these dragons? Come on. There we go, a little something, something. $5. Oh, don't tease us. Come on now. There's your little tootie patooties, honey.
Turtles?
Your little turtles.
My turtles.
Those coins make some serious noise. They let you know they're there. Right, we are at 446.
Yeah, we are. We have permission. Dude.
We're checked in with security. All right, let's see. We're at 440. Start with 400. I'm gonna walk away with a little bit of a profit at least from this dragon game. That bonus came quick and it was awesome. All right, last spin. Oh, maybe another? Nope, I'm gonna take 430.67 and walk away from 5 Dragons Rising Jackpot. Hope you enjoyed that new slot. Let me know if you've played it before in the comments below. All right, new slot, Pompeii Rising Jackpots. We are at Grand Sierra Resort in Reno, Nevada. I stuck $100 free play in here. We're gonna bet 264, and let's see what we can do with it. $100 into what from old Pompeii? Oh my gosh, I think we got the bonus. We got the bonus.
Already?
Yeah, which is a Pompeii bonus is like, it doesn't really mean anything, but we did get it. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, here we go. It's the new bonus though. I'm not sure what, oh geez, okay. With any win at 3 times, okay, with any, choose your reels. All right, 12, 8, big, okay, what do we, let's go slot queen purple. Come on, Pompeii. We're looking for multipliers, honey. Oh, there's one. Oh, plus 2 free games, okay. This is very similar to 5 Dragons Rising Jackpots. Oh my gosh, we need multipliers for the big win. Oh, times 5, but I don't think, no. Uh-oh, 2 games to go, and not a too hotta. Oh, man. Oh, okay, that one was not good. $16 bonus, but it came right away. All right. $100 free play, now we're at 111. Let's turn it up a little bit here. All right. Everybody's talking about Pompeii rising jackpots. Let's see it.
$7.50.
I want to see it, honey. Oh, I hear Willie behind me. Willie's singing away. Come on, bonus. Come back to us.
What does that do?
The volcano is a wild.
So why is it going to
I
bigger than
believe
the
it could have a multiplier, and I think it has something to do with the progressives. But I've only played this once, maybe. And I'm not very good with the regular Pompeii. I think that's going up there for the progressives. Real quick, this new Pompeii has progressives. There they are. Oh, he counts as a bonus symbol. Woo.
Way to win.
Do it. Oh, let's try four. Well, gosh, this is a tough game. Let's stick on 264. Let's see if we could actually work another bonus out of this thing. Let me know in the comments if you guys have played this new Pompeii. Do it. Oh. Or if you're an old school Pompeii fan. I definitely know people, I think anyways, people love or hate Pompeii. And I don't know how they feel about these new ones. Whew, but I want to love it. Oh, drop this multiplier. Okay. $15 hit. Okay. Nice. So it can drop multipliers. Come on, one more bonus. And we'll pick a different choice if we get it. Now the gambler in me is trying to talk the machine into bonusing. Yeah.
The hits are pretty decent when you get them.
Yeah, when you get them. Whoa. Oh, yeah. All right, we're picking a different option, Slot Hubs. More risky or less risky? I don't know.
What did we do last time?
Hit it and I'll let you know. We went Slot Queen Purple, which was only 8 games. Blue? All right. Woo, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this whole thing.
Got it?
Yep. You might have to give us a play-by-play if there's anything good.
Nothing good there.
Uh-oh.
Nothing good there. Oh my God.
Uh-oh. Oh no, last spin. Oh, for the love.
What the heck?
Well, so if we can get it again, we'll try a different one. Oh, I was gonna say, that'd be awesome.
Queen.
All right. Come on, Vinny Vici. I know that Pompeii lovers know that saying exactly. Do it. Oh my gosh. And I just butchered it. I just butchered it. Okay, 3 bonuses. So now what do we do?
Hold on, we're going.
3 bonuses. Let's look at our options.
We're going the lowest.
The most risky?
Yeah.
We're going the most risky. Okay.
Back up, honey.
Jeez. Let me know what happens over there.
Okay. We need bonus. No bonus.
Oh no.
Come on. Nothing.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
I'll get it.
If we get it again, The only chance left, the only thing left is non-risky.
Yeah, it's the high one. What the heck is
3
that?
bonuses. Doggone it on bonus bummers. I'm good, thank you. Come on. If you can line up those big symbols, the line hits can be nice.
I had to come look because my wife watches you guys.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you. Would you like a lucky wristband for her? You have a lucky wristband? Would you like a lucky wristband?
Oh, I can't hear you.
Would you like a lucky wristband?
Sure.
There you go.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Enjoy
Thank you.
them. All right. What's your prediction, honey? Are we going to land it again?
Yeah, I do think so.
You think we're going to get one more?
I do. Oh. I think it has no problem giving out bonuses because that's all it's going to give out
Because they're terrible.
so far.
Big potential on this one, but very tough slot. Whew, come on. Multiplier, no? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh,
Nice,
that's
too.
gotta be good.
180 bucks.
180 bucks? Yes.
180 bucks.
That's stinking awesome. $180 line hit. Woo!
Okay.
Alright, okay. I see you, Pompeii Rising Jackpots. Oh, the horse. Oh my gosh, come on. Oh. One more bonus. Oh, yeah, one more bonus in ya.
Okay, you're at a double up.
All right, we are at a double up, and we did see 3 bonuses.
We did. I mean, I feel pretty good that double
Cash
up.
out a double up.
I agree. I think so.
I do too. Okay, we're gonna cash out a double up. Actually, free play to a double up.
Yeah.
So free play to $200 cash. Hope you enjoyed that Pompeii Rising Jackpot. Let me know which ones you would have picked, or if you think it could have came out any different. Hey everyone, Slot Queen here. I wanted to say thank you for watching my video today. Please leave me a comment. I love to read them. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe. It's free. We're on our way to 40,000 subscribers. And I need your help to get there.